Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a serious question. Is your iPhone being watched? Let's find out together with a few quick checks that can help you protect your privacy. Let's get started. First, let's check for diversion codes. Open the phone app and tap on the keypad tab at the bottom. Now dial *21 and hit the call button. You'll see a list of results. Look for the word disabled under each category. If you see enabled, that might mean your calls, texts, or data are being diverted to someone else. Now, let's check your Apple devices. Go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll to the bottom. You'll see a list of all devices connected to your account. If you spot anything unfamiliar, tap on it and select Remove from Account. Let's move on to Location Access. Head back into Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security, then go to Location Services. You'll see a list of apps using your location. Go through it and disable access for apps that don't really need it. Following these simple steps will boost your iPhone's privacy and help ensure no one's watching you without your knowledge. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tips like this. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.